Ever catch yourself staring at that TV wall and thinking, why is this so meh? You're not alone, because that wall gets more screen time than we admit, and it should feel like the star, not an afterthought. Here's the clarity. Modern TV unit design trends lean on clean lines, floating installations, and multifunctionality, so your space reads sharp, not cluttered. The good background for a TV unit is one that complements your decor, frames the screen, and avoids glare or overly busy patterns, so the room looks polished even when the TV is off. And when you're styling your display, the 3-5-7 rule of decorating keeps everything looking naturally designed, not randomly placed. That's where Moolwan steps in. Sculptural resin accents, ceramic statement pieces, abstract modern showpieces, and tall focal decor that instantly adds character, height, and harmony around your entertainment area. Give your wall a glow-up that feels curated, confident, and totally you, minus the interior designer price tag.